It's a 2007 Tundra, and this is probably the same for 2007 to 2013. I've seen this online before where people are asking how to fix this. There's actually, I've taken this apart before, there's a spring in here that's all rusted out. Toyota does not sell the spring. You know, we toyed around the idea of putting a magnet on here just to keep that closed. Otherwise, you have to replace this entire assembly. Price being at like 110 to 70 bucks online. So we're gonna try to do the magnet. This is the magnet. I took this off of a speaker, off of a computer speaker. And the idea is to attach it to this side. And then when we close it, it's gonna be held in place. So we can do this for a lot cheaper. I'm gonna put some epoxy on here, on this side. I'm gonna epoxy the magnet right underneath this door here. Here are the tools I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the magnet, epoxy. This is a Gorilla epoxy. I'm gonna use a spring clamp. And this is just I use a screen protector. Mix the epoxy, put it on the magnet, and put it on the door. All right, my hands were full, but I show you we did the mix. That's obviously way more than you need, but it all came out pretty fast. And I put the battery, there was almost like a spot where I could see, but that's where I put it. I'm gonna put the clamp because it is slipping down on it right now. And once it's once it's held in place, it should be working fine. All right, we got our spring clip in place, holding the battery to the door. And I think this is going to work quite well. And it's just going to line up with this screw right here and save ourselves some money, and hope this works for you. One thing that I should mention that I did not do was I did not clean this with alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. I probably should have cleaned the inside of the door just so the adhesive would stick more. All right, so it's been on here for a few hours. Take that off, and here we go. The after. Is it flush? Yep. Yep. One more time. Yep, that's flush. That works. America.